holding on, I wouldn't let you go. 'Cause every time I try, you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body, wish for the escape. Want my heart, want
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
where to push or pull. And I am going mad just like you knew I would. You're reading me like an open book. You know me better than I ever thought you could. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I'll run away, hit the road, and almost late.
Good morning. I just put on a load of washing. Do you want this car? Victor's already out in the garden. He's in his PJs. We haven't changed him yet. So while he does that, I'm just gonna watch him and do my makeup just a little bit because I'm filming today. So I'm gonna do that, and it's nice because I can look what he's up to while I do my makeup.
My head is spinning on my shoulders, so what's the use of trying, baby?
I just got ready for a bit. We're gonna move a few things in the bedroom now because they've kind of just set up the removals, guys. They just put everything, you know, randomly, so we're gonna set it up ourselves. But I think we're gonna move the vanity, like the dressing table, over here by the window, and move the bed a bit further on that way. And then we're gonna order a wardrobe from IKEA, which is gonna go in this little hole thingy right here. So that's the plan. And then probably 2 nightstands, and that's probably it for furniture in the bedroom. Yeah, we still need to order quite a few pieces of furniture, but you know, making progress. It's only day 2. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and set up the vanity now, just so that I can get all of these bits in there and can start getting rid of boxes here. Yesterday I focused on the kitchen, so this is kind of the first thing that I wanted to set up, just because obviously you need a lot of things to eat, and I feel like if you have the kitchen set up, it's just so much easier. So the kitchen is pretty much done. I think I unboxed everything. There might be a few random bits in other boxes, but for the most part, like 90% of things should be in their place in the kitchen. So today I'm gonna focus on the bedroom and probably the bathrooms as much as I have time to do, and as much as I can, because obviously we don't have the wardrobe. We do have this tiny one, which is probably gonna go in Victor's room once we get the full-on one, but I don't think all clothes are gonna fit in that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put up in the this wardrobe, I'm gonna put up the things that I wear the most, and then things that are like knitwear and things that are a bit out of season right now, I'm just gonna keep in a box until we get the big wardrobe. So that's the plan. Let's go ahead and set up the vanity now. Okay, just had my husband help me move the bed a bit and the vanity. So as I said, move that to the window. Yeah, it kind of goes in the middle of the room, so I think that looks really nice, and it's nice to do my makeup in front of the window. I always had it on the side, which is not ideal, so yeah, that's gonna be so much better, I think. And then yeah, need to sort out this wardrobe corner as well. I think I'm just gonna start with things that go in the makeup drawer. So here I've got hair tools, and then I've also got products in the hallway in a box, which are gonna go in the bathroom, and then also some in my makeup like dressing table.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing.
Here's my progress so far. So I'm definitely gonna move things around as usual, but this is kind of how I've set it up. So I'm gonna put my jewelry on here, and I'm gonna need to tackle the drawer. So it's all empty, and I've got these things that I actually needed to clean up a bit. So these are just dividers, and then I also have a few more here, these two. So I'm gonna use these to kind of organize my makeup a little bit better. And I think I hear the boys. Who's that? Excuse me?
It's Victor.
It's Victor. Oh, what a surprise. What are you doing? Are you crawling?
Surprise you.
You have a surprise for me. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Whose bedroom?
It's a bed.
Whose bedroom is this?
It's a bed.
Are you a sleepyhead?
Silly Victor.
Silly Victor. Whose bedroom is this? It's Victor. Is that your bedroom too?
Oh no.
All done. Okay. Bye bye. I've put in here my dividers, and I've got all the makeup bits and jewelry. So I'm gonna go ahead and organize all of them into these.
Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to.
Okay, I've split my hair half up because it was kind of annoying me in my face. So I just finished the dressing table. It's all done, I think, for the most part. I've also put my planners in there, and I think next I'm going to tackle the... I'm trying to decide between the ensuite or the clothes. I think I'm gonna go with the bathroom because it's full of products in there. So I'm gonna tackle that and then carry on with the room. Okay, we have been pottering around the home. It's about, I think, 5 p.m. now, and Victor is playing in the living room. Unfortunately, he can't go outside because it's raining. It's been raining for most of the day, so it's quite a dreary day. We are waiting for a pizza now because we ordered some pizza for dinner from a local pizzeria, so hopefully that's good because we've never tried that one before. It's like a family run pizzeria. I put the sheets in the wash, like the bed sheets, just to kind of have them nice and clean for tonight, because I didn't do that yesterday because it was quite late. And then I think I'm going to go on to IKEA. I've got my laptop because I need to order a few more bits of furniture in here. We ordered the sofa and a few more kind of random things for the home, but we need a TV stand, which is gonna go, as I mentioned, it's gonna go right there on that wall. And then I want to get a unit for toys, which I think I'm gonna use with the white basket. So I think that's going to go on that wall. That's kind of the plan. That stand right there is gonna go away. So yeah, that's the plan. So I'm going to go on to IKEA and look at a few more things that we need to order. Okay, pizza is here. So these are the ones that we picked. This one is for me. It's got chicken and it's got pesto. That's what the green stuff is. looks really good. And then this one is my husband's, so he chose the prosciutto, I think. So yeah, Victor's gonna have obviously from us. Are you cutting up the pizza? Okay, just finished tidying up the kitchen and I tidied up the living room. I'm gonna show you in a second, but yeah, I think I'm gonna end today's vlog here because we're just gonna go give Victor a bath and then it's bedtime for him, and then I think I'm gonna tidy up in the bedroom a bit more and then call it a night because I'm exhausted. We woke up at 5 a.m. again this morning. I don't know what's up with the 5 a.m. wake ups for Victor, but yeah, I'm a bit exhausted at the moment. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's moving vlog. I'm gonna do lots more unpacking tomorrow as well. So yeah, hope you guys are enjoying the moving vlogs so far. Let me know in the comments below if you are. I've ordered a few IKEA furniture bits, so I'm really excited to do videos with that once those arrive and kind of show you how I organize everything. I always find those videos really exciting, so I hope you guys will enjoy them too. So yeah, that's about it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!